Welcome to Pass-On Soft Text Player. Please enter or pass the text on above box. "10 easy Christmas cookies for once a year bakers. Everyone goes cookie crazy at Christmas. Speaking personally but not complaining, I'm surrounded by with more icing detail than a painting, or that seemed more like realistic life. Welcome to Pass-On Soft Text Player. William Henry Gates II, born October 28, 1955, is an American business magnate, software developer, and philanthropist. He is best known as the co-founder of Microsoft Corporation. 2-3 During his career at Microsoft, Gates held the positions of Chairman, Chief Executive Officer, CEO, President, and Chief Software